How to make six figures a year, $10,000 a month, every single month with digital products. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make six figures a year, $10,000 a month with digital products in 7 easy steps. I'm going to break it down from A to Z, from how you break it all down into small goals for a long time goal so that you can produce and generate this income predictably and consistently each and every single month. So let's go. In order to make six figures a year, first you have to break down the numbers. So let's do the math. Okay, so $10,000 a month each and every single month over the course of 12 months will total you out $120,000 a year, which is six figures. So let's break $10,000 a month. If you divide that by 30 days, that's on or around $275 a day. Now, what that means is in order to make $275 every day, of course, you're going to need a product. So you can have one product that you can sell for $275 that you have to sell each and every single day repeatedly for 30 days. Or you can sell 5 products at $55 each and you would still make $275 a day. As long as you are selling 5 products at $55 a day each and every single day, that would total up $275 where you will make $10,000 a month. And then finally, if you're selling 10 products at $27.50, you will also make $275 a day. 10 products at $27.50 at $275 each and every day will total on or around or over $10,000 each and every single month. And those numbers will help you make your goal of $120,000 each and every year. So now we have the number. Now here's an example of one of my websites where I sell digital products and or a digital product for those numbers to help me reach those goals. Now right here on this website, I give anyone who views it 2 options. They can purchase one product or one ebook at $21. But if you scroll down, they have the option to also get my bonus offer where they'll get another ebook for just $8 more, totaling $29. So if I sell at least 10 of these products each and every single month, I will well over hit my goal because my product is not total $27.50. I priced it at $29 to cover any extra charges or fees in case I have to run ads. Let me break this down on how this works. Because I have run ads in the past, you have to pay per click. So knowing that I'm going to have to pay per click when I'm running ads on Facebook, Google, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, they're going to charge me each time somebody makes a click, whether or not I make a sale. So to offset that, just in case, and to make sure I stay in profit margins, I price my products accordingly. So in order to help me get those things in that website, I gave them a bonus offer. This original price for this one product was $21, but they'll see the value of getting another digital product because it's only $8 more, and it's increasing their value because they'll get more information that will help them solve a problem that they're having. So that order bump or that upsell or that bonus increases my profits to an extra $8 at $29 after they have already clicked. And I paid $2, which would bring me down to $27 in profit. And if I sell 10 of these offers every single day, I'll make $270, but it gets even more cooler. Now you can use this same system I'm showing you so far with digital products or tangible or physical products. But here's why I love doing it with digital products. One of the biggest problems is sometimes it may be hard to hit those goals, especially if your prices are priced a whole lot lower. So with digital products, whenever I sell a digital product and they purchase it, and in this case, my ebooks, inside my ebooks, I promote my other offers inside of it that will help my customers who purchase achieve their goals faster or easier, or show them tools and softwares that they can use to help them get to their goals faster and easier, that will help them in their journey. For example, here's a page out of one of the pages of my ebook, The Affiliate Income Network System. If you want to purchase this book, you'll see the link down in the description of this video. But on this particular page, on page 16 of my Affiliate Income Network System ebook, I teach them and educate them of why they need a landing page. On this page, if you look here where it says click here, it will redirect them to a funnel building software which will teach them and help them create landing pages with ease called ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a funnel building software that gives you everything you need to succeed online. Plus the funnels help you get customers to find you. Inside of ClickFunnels, when you start, you'll get a 14-day free trial and you'll be able to create things like sales funnels, websites, courses, email marketing, even landing pages like I talk about in my ebook, membership sites. You'll get your analytics. This is for bloggers. You can do shopping carts built in the software and even have your e-commerce store. And the person can sign up by clicking my link and get a free 2-week or 14-day trial. When you become an affiliate for any tool, software, or program, you increase your earning potential. In this case, I chose ClickFunnels because not only do I use it, but it is a great asset or tool or software for my niche, my customers who I have chosen to help in their online journey could benefit from. But let's check out ClickFunnels. When you become a ClickFunnels affiliate, your earning potential could be enough for you to create an online business in affiliate marketing. But since I've been an affiliate for ClickFunnels over the course of 4 years, I am now making 40% commission on all of their front-end sales. But let me break this down. So, like I said, in all of my digital products, I am promoting other affiliate programs or links, okay? So let's just use the example of the Affiliate Income Network System, which is the ebook I showed you earlier. And they bought both of the bonuses at $29 per sale, but I only make a $27 profit, okay? Because I have to pay $2 per click. But if they sign up for ClickFunnels and become a member, they will pay a minimum of $97 to use their software after the 2-week free trial. But if they stay on as a member of ClickFunnels after the 2-week free trial, I'll get a 40% commission for each referral that signs up. Out of $97, that is $38.80. Now let's redo the math. We went from making $270 a day till if I'm making $27 times 10, right? Because now I sold one product that was $27, okay? But I also get a 40% commission from those same people at $38.80. So $38 plus 80 cents plus the $27 from the entire sale equals $65.80. So if all 10 people sign up for ClickFunnels, okay, the $38.80 plus, pardon me, I had to fix my numbers. I'm going too fast. I'm super excited. But if all 10 of those people sign up for ClickFunnels, I just made an extra $38 on top of that times the 10. Part of my numbers, I had to adjust them. I'm so excited. I wasn't paying attention in my presentation. But if everybody signs up for ClickFunnels that purchased my ebook at $29, well, I lost $2 per click, but I gained an extra $38.80. That would equal $65.80. So $65.80 times the 10 people I have to sell per day would equal $658 a day. Also, one thing you have to remember, when they sign up for ClickFunnels as a member, that is recurring income. Recurring income means I will continue to receive that income from that customer whom I referred to using my referral link. That amount of money that they originally signed up for, that I got the commission for, every single month for the lifetime of that customer, which means I will get $38.80 times 10, which equals $388 each and every single month from those 10 customers, as long as they're a member of ClickFunnels. I want you to understand so far how this is working. Now I'm making an extra $388 each and every single month that I no longer have to work for. Because that income comes in every single month, I don't have to work as hard the next month. So I don't have to sell as many products the next month, which will make things a whole lot easier for me. And there may be days where I may not hit my goals for that day. This residual income or recurring income of what I like to call infinite passive income is what you want to strive for in case those things happen. This income will come to you if you choose to quit all of a sudden and don't do anything else. You'll still receive that commission from those members who originally signed up with your referral link each and every single month. Now keep in mind, you can do this with any type of product, whether it be digital or physical, and any type of niche. The only thing I suggest is that whatever product that you choose or whatever niche that you go into, you make sure you price them strategically. For example, in my coaching community, I don't advise my clients or my students to sell products that are very, very cheap, because it would take you a whole lot longer to get to your goals. Plus, the cheaper you go, the less quality of customers you may attract, which will make it harder for people to take those extra steps and purchase higher priced products that you may be offering. So just keep that in mind as you're following me along. Now, at the beginning of this video, I promised I'd show you how to make 6 figures this year, every single year, in 7 easy steps. So I'm going to keep my promise. If you want to get those books where I teach you more in depth on this, you can find the links to them in my description, or you can go to raidtheinternet.com. But here is the 7-step process that has made me hundreds of thousands and even millions of dollars online. Step 1, you want to choose your niche. None of this is going to work unless you find the people who have a problem and sell the solution to them in the form of a product, whether it be physical or digital. In my case, I chose a digital product that they will actually purchase because they see the value in it. Okay, then you're going to choose a platform. One of my many platforms is, of course, right now is YouTube. I am promoting myself and my products on YouTube and giving people value that they may receive with hopes of maybe going out and checking out other my products. All right, so after you have chosen a platform, then you're going to choose the product. You will get the information for what type of product that you should create or sell or promote by knowing your niche. And then once you know your niche, you know what type of content you should be putting out every single day that will attract the correct buyers. When you create the content, that will open the doors for you to get traffic. Once you have the traffic, you want to convert that traffic, and the best way to do that is to have some type of landing page, funnel, or website to where they can go to that place and make the purchase. And you want to set this all up so it's automated, which I teach inside my books. When it's automated, now you can just set it up one time and forget it, because the automations will do all of the heavy lifting for you. And finally, you have to focus. Do not think this will be easy. You may be a complete beginner or a newbie, so it will take time. This is the formula that I'm giving you, but you have to execute it. You're going to have to learn how to do this, which means you're going to have to learn things like marketing. You're going to have to learn things about how to build a funnel. You're going to have to learn things about how to choose a platform and put out the correct content. You're going to have to learn more about your niche. So be patient with yourself, and in time, you're going to reach these goals just like I did. But focus means follow one course until successful. So when you have that focus, I guarantee that if you keep going, you will reach your goal. Everything that I talked about in this video will be in my description, so you're welcome to check it out. This includes the links to ClickFunnels. This also includes the links to my digital products as well. I'm even going to create you a Google Doc so you can follow this format for free, so that you can copy it and use it to your own business and set your own strategy by doing your own math. I appreciate any and every one of you guys for watching my content. If you have any questions, please drop a comment down below. I always reply back. If you got value from this video, all I ask is that you give me a like and give me a follow. If you really want to get my attention, give me a share. And on top of that, I have a growing Facebook community where you can join us and a lot of other future millionaires that are trying to do this strategy that I teach in my community, and we'd love to have you. As always, though, stay blessed. I'll see you on the other side of success.